Okay, welcome to another video by Peninsula Floating Floors. All our contact details are in the description. This is a Reno in Langwarrin for the lovely Kendra and Lyndon. Oh my God, what can I say about this one? Preparation was amazing. Lyndon took all the skirts off, took all the cork off. The floor was immaculate, knocked all the nails in, so there's no nails popping up from the joists. I guess took all the staples out, just incredible. And today I was late. Today I was out having a scoot and a bit of brekkie. I'll come back and he'd cut the skirts, real complex skirts. I'll show them around the stairs and in the cupboard and in the third bedroom. And these guys have been awesome. And I have to say they're now taking over #1 in hospitality, and just the prep and the finishing off. Yeah, I was probably running out of time, but energy and God knows what. It's been 30 degrees or 35 degrees last 3 days. Spring's hit. Anyway, let's have a look around. It's Oakleaf HD Plus in the natural. Haven't done one for a while. Still my favourite, up there with Wolf Grey. I like Delta, but no, I think this is, if someone's going to sell a house, I'd recommend this, because this is the one that goes with everything. So this was actually tagged on. This was going to be carpet, but we'd have to adjust it, all the skirts. So yeah, it's only about 10 square metres, I think. So yeah, it looks great. Drop down into a lounge area. Beautiful Kendra.
No, that's okay.
Hospitality, you've hit #1. Yeah, I'm not joking. And the prep nudged you over, yeah. But yeah, drop down into this area. I think you're going to recarpet this. Just put a Swiss stair nose on that one. Sorry, a Swiss trim. The stair nose would have protruded, so I went for the trims. And I invoiced you for the stair nose, so I got just that. Into the kitchen. Before they had a small kitchen in the corner. It was very dark, and yeah, this is amazing. Butler's pantry, gone into there. All the kickers left off. Anyone who's putting the kitchen in, this is how you do it. The kickers were left off. All these bits here were raised to 14 mil. So putting a 12 mil laminate, 2 mil underlay. Just leave the kickers off. Don't let anyone try and sign the kitchen off by putting the kickers on because they want the money. Tell them now, come back. Use your T's in front of the slider. There's the man, the skirting guy, the prep king. He's got a job, he knows that, but he don't want it. No, awesome. Third bedroom, the others are going to be carpeted. Of course, we took the rails off. The master himself, they even cut the joint on the stud. He's a genius. Just looks huge now. This is the skirt that did me head in yesterday. I'd done the right hand side and gave up. We pondered about how to do the left hand side. I come in today and it was done already. So yeah, I rocked up at 10, and the skirting fairy was doing the skirting. Round up that same step, just down the hall, up to this is going to be remodeled, so we haven't glued the trims down. It's going to be retiled, and they put the trims on later, so they're just sitting there down the hall. There we go. The trims are here. So yeah, it's about 100 metres, 105 maybe. HD in the Oakleaf Natural, HD Plus. Love this bloody stuff. Indestructible. Make bulletproof vests out of it. Beautiful place to cut, undercover. I'd been doing an apartment before this and there was no breeze coming through. I was choking on the MDF fumes. It was horrible. So there you have it. About 105, no, it's probably 110 metres now with the office. There you go. If you liked the video, click like. If you didn't, don't do anything. Don't leave me a bad report or bad comment, because I've tried really hard. All right, cheers. Thanks for watching.